Back to my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. Today I am going to discuss the problem from class 12 Tamil Nadu State Board Mathematics Textbook. I am going to discuss chapter 1 application of matrices and its determinant from the exercise 1.1. Today I am going to discuss the problem number 15. The problem says that decrypt the received encoded message 2 minus 3 24 with the encryption matrix, which is a 2 cross 2 minus 1 first row 2 1 second row, and the decryption matrix as its inverse, where the system of codes are described by the numbers 1 to 26 by the letters A to Z respectively, and the number 0 to a blank space. This is the problem in exercise 1.1, which is entirely different from the first 14 problems. Here we have to get the message. It has been given as decrypt the received encoded message. This is very important. We have to find the message as a code with the encryption matrix. From the matrix encryption matrix, and with the help of the code 2 minus 3 24, we have to get the message. And it is given that in this problem decryption matrix as its inverse. If I take this one as A, this A denotes encryption matrix. For this encryption matrix inverse, that is A power minus 1, will be decryption matrix. First of all, from A we have to find A inverse. From A we have to find A inverse. Solution: let the encryption matrix minus 1 2 1. I am going to take this 2 cross 2 matrix as A. It is given the problem for this encryption matrix, decryption matrix is its inverse, that is A power minus 1 is nothing but decryption matrix. We know very well A inverse is nothing but 1 by det A into adjoint A. For the matrix A, I am going to find determinant of A. Determinant minus 1 2 1 minus 1 plus 2, answer is 1, not equal to 0. Now I am going to find adjoint A. Since it is 2 cross 2, I am going to use the shortcut method. First of all, write the diagonal values by interchanging its position. Minus 1 becomes 1 minus 1, and write the remaining elements in opposite sign. Minus 1 becomes plus 1, plus 2 becomes minus 2. This is our adjoint A. Therefore A inverse 1 by 1 is 1. Therefore 1 by 1, answer is 1. Adjoint A 1 1 minus 2 minus 1. Answer is 1 1 minus 2 minus 1. This is A inverse. Equation 1. I am going to multiply this 2 minus 3 with this A inverse, and also I am going to multiply this 24 with this matrix A inverse. First multiply 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3, 1 row 2 columns. 1 1 minus 2 minus 1. This is 2 cross 2. Here column is 2, here row is 2, both are equal. Multiplication of this matrix with this matrix is possible. First row, first column, 2 into 1 2, minus 3 into minus 2, 3 2s are 6. 2 into 1, first row, second column, 2, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. This is 8, 5, order is 1 cross 2. 1 cross 2, correct. Now multiply 24, 1 1 minus 2 minus 1. Again this is 1 cross 2, this is 2 cross 2, column is 2, row is 2, multiplication is possible. The answer is first row, first column, 20 into 1 20, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, 20 into 1 20, 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Answer is 12, 16. This is 1 cross 2, 1 row 2 column, correct. From the information 8 5 12 16, get the message. It is given that for the alphabet A to Z, here it is given that for the numbers and also for the letters there is a code is given. That code is nothing but A to Z means 1 to 26. That is, for A the value is 1, for B the value is 2. Similarly, last one Z equal to 26. A equal to 1, B equal to 2. Here I am getting 8 and 5, here 12, 16. 8, 5, 12, 16. If A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5, F is 6, G is 7, H is 8. For 8, the code is H. Similarly, for I, 9, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Because see the values. First one we got the message, that is code is H. Next one is 5. 5 means E. Next one 12. 12 means L. 16. 16 means P. Therefore The receiver reads the message the receiver reads the message as H because 8, E because the value is 5, L for 12, and for 16 the code is P. This is the message receiver will get, which is nothing but L. For this problem, the message is simply L. I have finished all the problems in exercise 1.1, both example and exercise sum. Example I think 12 sums, and exercise totally 15 sums. I will upload more videos from remaining exercise in chapter 1 for class 12 Tamil Nadu State Board Mathematics subject. Subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel to your friend. Thank you.